The alarm rings, and the world is still cloaked in darkness. This is the moment where your life is decided, not by grand gestures or lottery wins, but by the small, disciplined choices you make when nobody is watching. At 5 a.m., when the world is silent, you're presented with the greatest gift of all, time. The question is, what will you do with it? Waking up early isn't just about starting your day before everyone else. It's about making a statement to yourself, declaring that you control your life. The 5 a.m. mindset is a commitment to your goals, dreams, and future. While others sleep, you're building wealth, growing in discipline, and creating the life you've always envisioned. Each morning, you rise with purpose. You're telling the universe, I'm ready for abundance. Discipline is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. But discipline isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Waking up early is the first step toward mastering this critical skill. When you choose to rise before the sun, you're taking control of your time and aligning your actions with your intentions. The greatest achievers in history didn't stumble upon success. They created it, brick by brick, day by day. And for many, it all started with mastering their mornings. At 5 a.m., the world is quiet. There are no emails, no phone calls, no distractions, just you and your goals. This is your time to focus, to plan, and to act. Use these moments to visualize your financial future. What does it look like? Is it freedom from debt, owning a business, investing in real estate, or building passive income streams? Whatever your vision, the quiet hours of the morning are where you can lay the groundwork to make it real. Success isn't about luck or timing. It's about strategy and mindset. Financial freedom starts with understanding the rules of money. Assets put money into your pocket, while liabilities take it out. Most people never learn this simple truth because they don't take the time to educate themselves. Waking up early gives you the time and space to learn these lessons, to read, to study, and to grow in financial literacy. Think of your financial journey like a ship crossing the ocean. Without a clear map, you'll drift aimlessly. Waking up early is your chance to chart your course. Write down your financial goals. Do you want to build an emergency fund, invest in stocks, start a business, define your destination, and then focus on the small steps it will take to get there? Each morning is an opportunity to adjust your sails and move closer to your dreams.
Because the very purpose is you. You are always the purpose. There may be another purpose, like being a SEAL or going to college or whatever, but the main purpose in life is you. So if you wake up in the morning and you don't want to do something, you don't care enough about yourself. And that's what you need to really research is, man, why am I not doing this for myself? Because that is the number one purpose in life, is to better oneself. So that's the only purpose I fucking need. So the reason I get up every day, even though there's no race or there's no school or there's nothing in front of me, is because I have pride in myself.
Let's be honest, success isn't for the faint of heart. It demands sacrifice. And that sacrifice often starts with leaving behind the comfort of your bed. The greatest opportunities often hide behind the veil of discomfort. Waking up early when your body begs you to sleep longer is hard. But every time you overcome that resistance, you're training your mind to be stronger than your excuses. Remember this, excuses are comfortable lies. Discipline is an uncomfortable truth, but it's the truth that will set you free.
So many people that have the ability and just refuse to get off that couch. Refuse to study a few more hours, refuse to go deeper, to go further. And that's where I gain the advantage. It's so easy to be great nowadays, my friend, because most people are weak. Most people don't want to go to that extra mile. Most people don't want to find that extra because it sucks. It's miserable. It's lonely.
Imagine this. It's 5 a.m. and you're already up. You stretch, drink a glass of water, and write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Maybe you hit the gym, maybe you read a book that expands your knowledge, or maybe you sit down and work on your business plan. By the time the rest of the world is waking up, you've already done more for your future than most people will do all day. That momentum, that energy sets the tone for your entire day. Success starts with motion, and motion starts with you. Time is the most valuable resource you'll ever have. Unlike money, you can't earn more of it. And yet, most people waste it, scrolling through their phones, hitting snooze, or letting their days drift by without purpose. The 5 a.m. mindset gives you back control over your time. It allows you to be intentional, to focus on what truly matters, and to build a life that reflects your deepest desires. Let's talk about wealth, true wealth. It's not just about money in the bank or assets in your portfolio. True wealth is the freedom to live life on your terms. It's the ability to spend your days doing what you love with the people you care about without worrying about how the bills will get paid. That kind of freedom doesn't happen by accident. It's built through action, discipline, and consistency. And it starts when you decide to take control of your mornings. Waking up early isn't just about productivity. It's about creating space for growth. It's in these quiet hours that you can reflect on your goals, assess your progress, and make adjustments. It's where you can cultivate the habits that will carry you toward financial freedom. Read about investing, study successful entrepreneurs, work on your side hustle. These actions compound over time, just like interest on a smart investment. Your life is the sum of your habits. If you want to change your financial future, you have to change your daily routines. The 5 a.m. mindset forces you to live with intention. It forces you to prioritize, to plan, and to act. And if you can win the morning, you can win the day. Success doesn't happen in one giant leap. It happens in the thousands of small steps you take every day, starting with the moment your alarm goes off. Think about this. You're delaying your dreams every time you hit snooze. Every time you stay in bed, you're telling yourself that comfort is more important than progress. But when you rise at 5 a.m., you're sending a powerful message. My goals matter. My future matters. I matter. This isn't just about waking up early. It's about waking up to your potential. The life you want is waiting for you, but it won't come to you while you're lying in bed. It requires action, intention, and discipline. It requires you to rise, to claim your time, and to use it wisely. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for motivation to strike. Be your motivation. Push yourself, because no one else will do it for you. Tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, remember this: nothing changes if nothing changes. The path to financial freedom, success, and abundance starts with a single decision: to wake up, to rise, and to take control. This is your life. This is your time. Don't waste it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push my content to more people who need to hear it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.